everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you are new here, thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. So I'm bringing you another men's concept today. This is another of the 10s. I did find another 10 in here, and I think if I keep looking I might find a couple of more, but that was the only one I found back here on the shelf or in the box. Yeah, I got to get better organized, y'all. And I am. We're working on it. Anyway, this 10 is a power stick concept. And I'm going to spin you around, let you see what this one looks like. Okay, this is the 10 here. This is a power stick 10. So what I did was I used the 3-in-1 body wash. This is the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And it is the cool blue water. Alright, I also included the power stick body mist, body spray. I put a loofah in here. We have a pair of socks. And then one of our cups. And then on the cup I put a DTF transfer, which is one of these. And I used the blue cup for this. Alright, so I think that this gift has turned out well. It is one and done. I'm not putting anything else in this basket for the fellas. And I know guys, a lot of guys use a lot of power stick. Just remember that when you're doing men's gifts, especially for Father's Day, they don't have to be extremely elaborate and expensive. You want to do affordable gifts, all right, that have visual appeal, like this basket. And the other baskets that I have made for Father's Day, as well as a nice cute little pool bow that I put on here. I don't make big elaborate bowls for Father's Day. Now, custom order men's birthday basket or something like that, I might put a big bow on, but not for the Father's Day baskets. Alright, and then these little cups, like I said, I got these little cups at Walmart. This is what they look like. This is a clear one, but I have them in clear and in blue. Alright, and this, I originally had the clear cup in there, and I decided to take that clear cup out and put the blue one in there. And I put a transfer on that one. Here's the clear cup that I had in there. I had a transfer on it as well. So I just changed the cup out and put a different transfer on there. I think that this basket is very, very nice. So you all tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.